It's Friday, it's the happy hour toast, and guess what? Summer's winding down, the pumpkin assault is rolling on, we're looking at all of the fall flavors pushing through, but it's still hot out. So I thought to myself, I'm not ready to end summer. So today, what I decided to do is mix health and the happy hour. When you think about everything that you want to eat and drink, I am not a grapefruit fan whatsoever. I've never went out of my way to buy grapefruit. I don't own any grapefruits, but I heard that grapefruit beer was especially good. So I went, and on the recommendation of some of my German friends, got the very first grapefruit beer ever made by Schöfferhofer, or however you say it. I hope it tastes good. So I haven't had this yet. It's a relatively low percentage alcohol, 2.5%, and that's because it's 50% of Hefeweizen, which we really love, and then the other half is the grapefruit flavoring. And it's also, according to the can, colored with beta carotene, which you may know is vitamin A, good for the eyes. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Smells good, smells like grapefruit. See what happens. Oh, that's interesting. That's in a good way. Yep. Let me pour this out into our cup here. Okay, so you can see it here. My trusty German drinking beer cup. It definitely looks like a Hefeweizen, right? It's got that cloudiness, which right away to the eyes lets me know that this is a good product. Head of the beer is a little thick. I didn't pour it all the way through. That's fine. This is ice cold. But again, you can really get that grapefruit / citrusy, that tangy scent. You can get it out of there. And you can taste it. Very well balanced. A little bit of tang, a little bit of sweetness. Doesn't really taste like a grapefruit. It has more of a wheat forward, which is nice. But the grapefruit is there, and it kind of like, it makes your taste buds like water. Makes them come alive. It actually makes me want to eat a real grapefruit, which I told you a minute ago I don't do. So this is really impressive. This is definitely a pool special, without a doubt. So make sure that you're 21, you can consume alcohol safely in a responsible manner. You are on your own. But if you do, this is good, even if you're not a beer drinker. You know, if you like mixed drinks and stuff like that, not that this is, but this is outside of the profile of what I expected from a beer, and it's really good. Hey guys, 2-for-1 special here. Schofferhofer has again changed the game. They're really, really well known for their Hefeweizen beer, but now they've upped their game, the pomegranate. This, not a screw top. This is meant to be enjoyed cold right out of the bottle. Says so on the label. You can smell those pomegranates, they smell good. See how it tastes. Wow, it has that bitterness like the grapefruit mix does. But this pomegranate is a little bit sweeter. Yeah, this is definitely a warm weather beer. I'm glad that they did this. Hefeweizen sometimes could be a little bit too heavy for people. This is not at all. You can't even tell that this is a Hefeweizen mix. You just get that really nice, exotic sweetness from that pomegranate. I won't say that this beer is healthy, but it is a lower percentage of alcohol, so this is 2.5%. Just unfiltered Hefeweizen with pomegranate juice. So I think it was successful. It's a nice change up for those who are frightened away by the grapefruit mix. Pomegranate, everybody's friends with pomegranate, especially in the summertime. Yeah, try the grapefruit, try the pomegranate, subscribe to this channel. We have so many more things to come. Food, wine, desserts, beers, mix-ups, you name it. It's on the way. I don't want you to miss it. And I want you to get a buzz with your cuz and follow us through this journey. Yeah, we're gonna finish this without a doubt. Maybe get the barbecue running. That should be pretty exciting. And we're gonna catch a buzz with our cuz, and you should too. Probably not the best for it. Terry's gonna have to cut that part out. Not a screw top.